Hey y'all, welcome to my okay. So the wig came with the net on it. With the net, I'm gonna take it off. Honestly, this don't look no 20 inches. Maybe it's 20 inches when it's wet, but it's pretty. It's really cute. It has a strong smell. It's like it's a suffocating smell. But it's a pretty wig. I'm gonna just have to go wash it. Pretty wig. Look like a natural texture. Kinky Curly is by Jazz Star again. And it was the... And it has the little tag on here. And it says Jazz Star hair. 20 inch. It just says 20. 100% human hair. Lifespan. It should last at least 8 months with good care. And then just give your return policy, the email address if you need to return it. But so far it looks real good. It feels really nice. It's real soft. And it feels like human hair. It doesn't feel rough or anything like synthetic hair is anyway. But I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick wash. And I'm going to let it dry. And I'm going to come back and show you. So, y'all, this is the hair after I done wet it a little bit, put some mousse on it. The curl pattern is really nice. You could have saw from those other angles. Yeah, and I just put a side part in it because that will just frame my face better. And it is a free part closure. I think I paid $70 or $78 for this unit. So yeah, this is it, the back. It might be a little dry at the back. I neglected the back. But yeah, has a lot. The curls define nicely. Y'all, I'm sorry about that. Yeah. It did shed just a little. Well, there's none coming out right now. No, just a little bit. But it did shed a little when I first washed it. I just... Did I put shampoo in it? It's either shampoo or conditioner, because the care card says use pure shampoo. I can't remember what I did, but yeah, this little frizz right there, I'll take care of that later. But right now I didn't do anything to the part. I just have a stocking cap up under here. Yeah. And I'm gonna give y'all an update later in the coming weeks about this unit and see how I liked it overall. Yeah. It's been so long since I had some weave. As y'all can see, I had locks, so it's getting a little back adjusting to it. But yeah, I think it's really cute. It looks really natural. Like, it looks really, really natural. And yeah, don't mind my little stained shirt. I just got off work. But yeah, this is the unit. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not looking at the camera. I'm looking in the mirror right here. So I'm looking at the camera. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. And I'm gonna give y'all an update on this hair. This was the Jazz Star hair. It is the 20-inch lace closure wig, and I paid. I'm gonna put the price down below, and I'll leave the link to the hair if you wanted to pick it up. And yeah, so far it looks really nice. It looks really natural. The curls do pop, they're not. The curls do look good. They look real natural. And yeah. And thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all later.